Just needed that one more sip. My voice is very croaky today. Hi, it's Lauralee and welcome to my kitchen and to my channel. This week we are going over how to gift an NFT. There are 4 basic steps to gifting an NFT. Get a DeFi wallet, exchange fiat currency for crypto, purchase the NFT, transfer the NFT to the recipient, and then verify receipt on chain. This cat is optional. If you have a friend or family member interested in crypto or NFTs, you may want to give them one as a gift, or you may want to give them partial ownership in a collectible NFT. That's what we're going to walk through today. Be sure to stick around until the end for the details on the 1K giveaway. Let's get into it. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs are unique digital assets, commonly an image or video that are secured on a blockchain. While anyone can view the NFT, it is only owned and controlled by a single digital wallet owner. People want to own NFTs for all sorts of reasons, as a collectible, as an investment, to be part of a community, or quite frankly, just for social status. I will say there is no super easy, user-friendly, free way to gift an NFT at the time of making this video. It's a bit of a process. However, if you already have a DeFi wallet and crypto to fund your purchase, you can jump to step 3. Just check the timestamps below. Let's go back to my office and check that out. So step 1, you're going to need a crypto wallet, and this is different from a brokerage account on Robinhood or Coinbase. And for beginners, I recommend using MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Just to note again, Coinbase wallet is different to a Coinbase brokerage account, so make sure you have the right one. Both are browser extensions that are also DeFi wallets. I did a video on DeFi wallets right here if you want to check that out first. And there are lots of great videos here on YouTube on how to get set up on MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. I will link to some in the description. But when your wallet extension is set up, it will look something like this. And if you have never purchased crypto before, you may want to consider setting up a wallet with crypto.com, as you can set up a wallet and then buy ETH or Bitcoin using a regular fiat currency credit card. I do not personally have a wallet with them, but I have heard good things and they have excellent reviews. Okay, now that that's done, we can move on to step 2, which is you need to fund your wallet. If you already own crypto somewhere, like on a Coinbase brokerage account, you can transfer it to your wallet. Just follow the prompts in the browser extension. If you don't have any crypto, you will need to exchange fiat, so that's US dollar, euros, Aussie dollar, and so on, for ETH. Once you download the browser extension and after setting up your wallet, you just go and click buy, and it will walk you through the steps to fund your account using a debit card or Apple Pay. And a word of warning, if you are in New York State or if you're in Texas like I am, you won't be able to buy ETH directly through MetaMask because these states do not support Wire or Transact, which are used to actually do the crypto transaction. So if you are in either of those states, you can either use a VPN to transfer crypto from another wallet or just use a different wallet or exchange. Okay, now on to step 3. We are ready to shop. Some popular marketplaces for NFTs right now are OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Foundation, and Mintable. These are all kind of general marketplaces for art, music, collectibles, even domain names. There are also specialized marketplaces if you have a specific collectible in mind, if I can even say that. For example, Larva Labs is the home of CryptoPunks, the Axie marketplace for Axie Infinity, NBA Top Shots are for all NBA related NFTs, and Autograph for pro athlete NFTs. If you are brand new or just getting started, I do recommend going with OpenSea, as they have a little bit of everything and they're pretty easy to use. So once you get to OpenSea, you will be prompted to connect your MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, which you can do by following the prompts. You won't actually have an OpenSea login, you just sign in with your wallet. And looking through OpenSea, you can check out the different categories and apply filters and hope that you find something that you're looking for. One thing that I also really like about OpenSea is they will display the price in ETH and then in fiat currency of your choosing. So I have mine set to US dollar, so I don't have to do the math in my head and keep checking back to see what the price of Ethereum is doing. And that is really helpful for narrowing down your search. So once you've found the NFT you want to gift, you need to buy it and transfer it to your wallet. On any of these marketplaces, this should be pretty straightforward. straightforward. It's like you're shopping on Amazon. You can just hit buy and confirm the purchase, and then the asset will show up in your account. Now on to step 4, the actual gifting part. To gift someone an NFT, you will need their public wallet address. If you don't have their public wallet address, or if they don't have a wallet yet, hold tight, I'm gonna cover that as well, just bear with me. So on marketplaces like OpenSea, they have the option of simply transferring anything from your wallet to someone else's. You might have to hunt for it a bit, but on OpenSea, it looks like a little gift icon, and you can input the recipient's address, just copy and paste over their address, and then you hit transfer. This will prompt MetaMask to open, and you'll be shown the transfer details, including the gas fees. Gas fees are like the transfer fees from a bank, except instead of the fees going to the bank, or in this case, OpenSea, they go to the miners on the blockchain protocol so that you can have your transaction included in the block. On the Ethereum blockchain, you have the option of paying a higher gas fee to have your transaction added and validated faster, but gas fees are pretty high right now, so unless you are transacting something really valuable, you probably won't be interested in paying higher fees. And as of December 2021, if you see gas fees under $50, you are getting a good deal. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for an NFT. You will need to cover the cost of the NFT itself and the gas fees if you want to gift it to someone. If you don't know the recipient's wallet address, or if they don't have one yet, you can give them a printout with a picture of the NFT and a QR code that links to the NFT so that they can request it from you. And my camera is beeping at me. What is going on? I don't know. To create this QR code, you just grab the URL from the NFT in your collection and you head over to a free site like QR code generator and you paste it in. Now you can send that QR code digitally in an email, or you can print it out. You don't have to print it out if you don't want to. And once the recipient gets the code, they can check out the NFT you're holding for them, and then you can get their wallet address and complete the transfer. Okay, on to step 5. We're almost done. Once you've completed the gifting transfer, you can confirm that the NFT went where you intended it to go by checking the recipient's wallet. On OpenSea, this is as simple as going to their profile and seeing if the asset shows up there. If you're using a different wallet or transfer method, or if they're not on OpenSea, you can also check the ledger, as all transactions are public. There are lots of ways to do this, but I'd say one of the easiest ways to go is with a website like Etherscan, and all you do is let's bring this up, you put in your wallet address or the recipient's wallet address, and you should be able to see all of the transactions and at what time they were completed. Just look for your gift in the list of transactions. Now the ledger is public, and it isn't going to tell you anything about the recipient, such as their name. It will just confirm that the transfer happened and at what time it happened. And there we go. And that's all there is to it. But before I sign off, I wanted to go over the risks associated with gifting NFTs, namely, and we are back after a brief intermission where I had to put my camera in the freezer because it overheated. So before we sign off, I wanted to go over the risks associated with gifting NFTs, namely transaction costs, tax implications, and age restrictions. All really fun topics. So the age restrictions make gifting NFTs to anyone under 18 tricky, as most exchanges, brokerages, and even some wallet apps will not let you create an account for a minor. And if you are gifting an NFT to someone who is under 18 and they don't yet have a crypto wallet, they can set one up with MetaMask with the permission of their parents or guardian. If this isn't possible, or if you just don't want your kid to have a crypto wallet, you can hold the asset for them, and when they turn 18, they can request it from you when they've set up their wallet. Moving on, there are some potential tax implications that you may want to be aware of. I am not a tax expert, and individual situations do vary, so always consult your CPA or tax advisor if you are unsure of anything. So cryptocurrencies work like money, but at the moment they are legally treated more like a stock investment when it comes to capital gains tax. If you used cryptocurrency to buy and send the NFT, those could be taxable events that you owe money on, depending on your individual situation. For the recipient, receiving an NFT as a gift could also be subject to a gift tax. For 2021, you don't need to worry about gift taxes for anything under $15,000 per individual receiving the gift. If the person receiving the NFT is filing jointly with a spouse, the gift exclusion is just over $30,000. So for most people, this isn't going to be a problem. It is also important to remember that if the NFT appreciates considerably in value over time, which we hope it does, the recipient of your NFT gift may have to pay capital gains tax if and when they decide to sell that NFT. Short-term capital gains tax is up to 37% if they sell the asset less than 12 months after they received it, and long-term capital gains tax is up to 15% for anything held for longer than 12 months. This also applies to people who acquired NFTs when they were minors and then sold the NFT when they were over 18. So that's just an important thing to keep in mind when you're gifting this to anyone under 18. They might be on the hook for taxes when they come of age. Then we have transaction fees. Transaction fees can really jack up the cost of your gift giving experience. Generally, there are two sets of fees that you will have to pay in addition to the market price of the NFT. So one is the platform fee, and that's the fee that the marketplace takes to keep itself alive. And then second is the gas fee. On OpenSea, you will pay one-time fees when you set up the account and gas fees when you execute a transfer, whether it's a gift or not. Depending on the network congestion, gas fees can cost hundreds of dollars when sending an NFT. So like I said before, if you see gas fees under $50 for December of 2021, you're getting a good deal. Now that all of that heavy stuff is kind of out of the way, to celebrate growing this channel to 1,000 subscribers, which is insane, I wanted to give away NFTs to this awesome community, and I haven't 100% figured out what they're gonna be or how I'm gonna do it, but if you'd like first dibs on an NFT that you can keep or gift, check out the link in the description. The first 1,000 people to send over their public key to their wallet or an email address if you don't have a wallet yet will get an NFT from me in the future, and maybe access to like a private Discord chat or something like that in the future as we hopefully continue to grow this community. So that is all for this video. I hope that it helped you understand the metaverse that 1% more. So I'll see you next time. Bye.